Now children, we have to study. Maybe the anther may be present in group. So maybe they are free or maybe they are fused like that of sepal or petals. So if the stamen are free, then these type of anther is called polyandrous. Poly means many, androus means ANDROECIUM. Now the second type, if the anther are fused or the stamen are fused. So if we have fused stamen, then it may be divided into three types depending upon which part is fused. It is divided into three types, which part is fused. For example, number one, if filament is fused, and anther are free, then this type of condition is called as Adelphas condition. This type of condition is known as Adelphas condition. Now, first we will take this Adelphas condition because it is further divided into some type. So, in Adelphas condition, the first condition is called monoadelphous. Mono means single. If there is a single filament is present and there are large number of anther is fused to it, then this type of condition is called monoadelphous condition. And this is the characteristic feature of Malvaceae family, that is China rose. What happened in this? This is a filament. This is called as filamentous tube. You have seen the structure of China rose. A red color tube is coming to which many stamen are attached like this, and to it there was yellow color structure is attached. This type of structure is called as monoadelphous condition, where filament are fused and anther are free. The second type of condition is called as Diadelphus, and this type is found in Papilionaceae family, that is in P etc. So in this what happened, there is an arrangement of 9 plus 1, means 9 anther are fused, where 9 anthers are, filaments are fused, the filament 9 anthers filament get fused, where 1 anther filament remains separate. For example, this kind of condition, one is this fuse, and here there is a fuse, that is 9 stamens are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 condition are present. This type of arrangement is called Diadelphus, and this is called Diadelphus because there are two filaments are present. One carrying the 9 anther and one carrying the single anther. And the third type is called Polyadelphus, means this type of bunch of more than 3 or 2 bunch, if it is present having an anther. This type of arrangement is called as Polyadelphous condition. In this, a stamen attached to in a bunch of more than 2 or more, you can say more than 2 or 3 words, then it is called as Polyadelphous condition. Now the next type in the free fused stamen is that the next one is when anther are fused anther fused and filament are free. If anther are fused or filament are free, this type of condition is called as syngenous condition. It is also known as syngenous condition, or it is called, the next name is synanthrous condition. Syn means fused. Okay, so synanthrous means the anther are fused together, and this is called synanthrous condition. For example, here I am making one anther. It is bilobe structure. I am not making with the different color now. That is of 2. This anther is fused with this type of anther, and it is also fused here with this type of anther, but the filament are free. The filaments are free, but the anther are fused. So this type of condition occur in sunflower. Okay, this occur in sunflower. And next one is both are fused. If both are fused, means anther is also fused and the filament is also fused, then this type of condition is called synandrous condition. Synandrous condition. Now don't confuse with synanthrous. It is anthrous. Anthrous means anther are fused, and here it is androus. Androus means ANDROECIUM are fused, in which both, that is stamen as well as filament are fused, and this is the characteristic feature of Cucurbitaceae family. This is the characteristic feature of Cucurbitaceae family. Means they have lopha and pumpkin, these come in under this family. So this is the characteristic feature of Cucurbitaceae family. So this is the division of fused stamen, that is Adelphas condition. Then we have synandrous condition and synanthrous condition. Now the next thing that we have to study, if the stamen is going to attach with any other floral word. Commonly what happen? The stamen is attached to the thalamus of the, as I have tell you in the video of the introduction of the flower, that the anther is going to attach to the thalamus. But if it is not attached to the thalamus, but it is going to attach with other whorl of the flower, that is maybe of petal, sepal or anything else, then what will be the terminology that we used? So the terminology on the basis of the attachment of stamen to some other word. So the first one is called as Epipetalus. Epipetalus. The name suggests petalus means petals. That is the stamen, that is mainly the filament, not the whole stamen is fused. So the stamen is fused with petals. It is fused with petals. Then this condition is called as Epipetalus condition. The second condition is called as Epi Sepulus condition. Epi means with the sepulus means with sepals. So if stamen fused with sepals, then it is called Epi Sepulus condition. Now the third one, sometimes the sepal and petals are not there, they are removed by tepals or perianth. Then what happened? Then that is called Epi Epipetapalus condition. That is, the filament is fused with tepals. If it is fused with tepals, then it is called as Epipetapalus condition. Okay, so this is the bifurcation of stamen, or you can say stamen on the basis to which it is attached.